say and do. Every sunrise, every tear reminds me you are near. Your peace surrounds my soul. You make my spirit whole. Forever I'll proclaim the glory of your name. Thankful heart. Sacred moments where you dwell. In quiet ways I hear your sound, where love and peace abound. Every breath becomes a prayer. I know that you are there. The world fades out, I close my eyes. Your spirit fills the skies. Your whispers wrap around my soul and make me whole. You move in light unseen, where heaven meets between. In stillness I can see you're here with me. Sacred moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs to you. Every silence sings your name. I'll never be the same. Sacred moments, calm and pure. Your presence will endure. Forever I'll remain in sacred moments again. Sacred moment. You breathe through shadows, soft and kind, restoring peace of mind. Each second turns to endless grace when I behold your face. Your spirit glows, your mercy flows through every night that grows. I find my rest in you. In all you do, you move in light unseen, where heaven meets between. In stillness I can see you're here with me. Sacred moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs to you. Every silence sings your name. I'll never be the same. Sacred moments, calm and pure. Your presence will endure. Forever I'll remain in sacred moments again. Every breath you sanctify, every stay in me every day. Forever I will find your peace in the stillness of my soul. Your voice makes me whole. Through the silence I can hear your words are crystal clear. You breathe new light into the air. I know that you are there. Every doubt begins to fade by the truth you've made. Grace and peace are found. I'm listening again to where your love begins. Whisper of truth, soft and kind. You bring peace to my mind. Every moment, every hue, I'm drawn closer to you. Whisper of truth, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in what you say. Your spirit moves in gentle ways. Your mercy freely saves. Every shadow disappears when your whisper nears. You lift me high and pull me through. My heart belongs to you. I'll follow where you guide. With you I'll abide. You speak beyond the sound, where grace and peace are found. I'm listening again to where your love begins. Whisper of truth, soft and kind. You bring peace to my mind. Every moment, every hue, I'm drawn closer to you. Whisper of truth, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay Let your voice fall like the rain, healing every pain. Through the quiet night, you turn dark to light. Your truth restores my soul. Your words make me whole. Forever I will hear your whisper near. Forever you move, whisper of truth. Shine within me. Forever free. Your light awakens my soul. You make the broken whole. Every shadow fades away as you begin to stay. You lift my eyes to see the dawn, a love that carries on. Every breath I take is yours forevermore. You move like gentle fire, my heart's one desire. Your spirit softly speaks in peace so deep. Shine within me, You're the light that never dies, the hope that fills the skies. Forever I'll remain in your holy flame. Shine within me. Forever free. Shine within me. Forever free. Shine within me, purity. Guide my heart through the night. Every whisper, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Shine within me, calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever I will be where you shine in me. Shine within me. Forever free. Shine within me. Forever free. Love that never ends. Forever you mend. The dawn unfolds, your mercy new. My heart belongs to you. Through every shadow, every pain, your love remains the same. You lift my soul above the tide. Your light, my faithful guide. Every breath and every sound, your grace abounds. You move through time and space, unchanging in your grace. Your promise always true. I'm safe in you. Love that never ends, calm and true. Every heartbeat's made by you. Through the storm, through the rain, your joy remains. Love that never ends, warm and near. I feel your spirit here. Forever I depend on love that never ends. Forever never ends. The night gives way to holy light. You turn my wrongs to right. Every moment shines anew because of you. You hold the stars, you calm the waves. Your mercy freely saves, and in your hands I find peace divine. You move through time and space, unchanging in your grace. Your promise always true. I'm safe in you. Love that never ends, calm and true. Every heartbeat's made by you. Through the storm, through the rain, your joy remains. Love that never ends, warm and near. I feel your spirit. fire, you lift me higher. You're the rhythm in my chest, my peace, my rest. Forever you defend. Love that never ends. Waves of grace flow through this place. The ocean whispers through my heart. Your love's where I start. Every tide and every sound. Your mercy all around. You move like water through my pain. You wash me clean again. In every breath I see, you're healing me. Your light begins to shine, forever mine. Waves of grace, soft and wide, you pull me to your side. Every fear fades away in your gentle sway. Waves of grace, calm and near. I feel your presence here forever. I will stay in waves of grace, in waves of grace. The night is still, the stars align. Your spirit intertwines. Every whisper calls my name. I'll never be the same. You move with rhythm, soft and slow. Through every ebb and flow, my soul begins to rise to meet your skies. You calm the Every tear you've washed away with every wave. Your rhythm beats within my chest. Your peace, my only rest. Forever I'll embrace your waves of grace. Peaceful rising, your light keeps rising. The sky unfolds in shades of gold, your mercy to behold. Every breath a gentle wave, your love so strong to save. The ocean sings your melody, a timeless symphony. Your spirit in the air, I feel you everywhere. You calm the tides inside, with peace I cannot hide. Your grace will never fade, in you I'm unafraid. Peaceful horizon, wide and free. Your presence covers me. Every moment, every sigh, you lift my soul so high. Peaceful horizon, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I'll see your peace surrounding me. Peace I cannot hide. Your grace will never fade. In you I'm shine through clouds, through endless skies. Your grace will never die. Every breath and quiet flame carries your name. You hold my heart so tight through every darkest night. Your love will never fade. In you I'm made. Faithful glow, calm and pure. Your mercy will endure. Every season, every rain, your peace remains. Your peace remains. Faithful glow, shining through all my hopes. In you forever I will know. Your faithful glow, your faithful glow. Faithful glow, yeah, you share. The night grows quiet, stars arise. Your truth fills up the skies. Every word you've ever said still echoes in my head. You guide my feet with tender light. You turn my wrongs to right. Your faithfulness won't cease. It brings me peace. You hold my heart so tight through every darkest night. Your love will never fade. In you I'm remain. Faithful glow, calm and pure. Your mercy will endure. Every season, every rain, your peace remains. Your peace remains. Faithful glow, shining through all my hopes. In you forever I will know. Your faithful glow, your faithful glow. When I can't see the way you turn the night to day, through silence you still speak. Your love's what I seek. Your spirit lights the dark, ignites my sleeping heart. Forever you will show your faithful glow, your faithful glow. Faithful glow, forever you show. Faithful glow, forever you show. Faithful glow, forever you show. Your spirit moves across the deep. You wake my soul from sleep. Through every calm, through every storm, you keep my heart so warm. Your whisper so gentle, pure.